Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do our next grammar topic, that is how do we recognize gender in German. Okay, like always students have doubt that sir, okay, like how do we recognize gender? For example, der, das, die, these all are the of English. Yes, but in German these things change into der, das and die. Okay, so how do we recognize it? Okay, 2 points I want to tell you. That first thing, there are some tips and tricks by which we can recognize, okay, the gender of this noun is that this thing. Okay, but in most of the case, in the second point which I want to tell you, that it's about your hard work. Okay, the more you do lesen means reading, the more you do reading, automatically you will going to understand it. Okay, for example, if you recognize in A1, then A2, then B1, then B2, you will automatically came to know that okay, the article of this noun is there, das and the. But still there are some tips and tricks to memorize it. Okay, so let's see it. Okay, I already told you that in masculine it's come there, then neutral das, then feminine the, and then plural the. Okay, now what are that these some tips and tricks? First we are going to talk about masculine noun, which is there. Okay, this thing. First we are going to discuss about there, how we can by looking at the hints we can know that okay, these are masculine noun. Let's see it. First thing, already known through English 40%. Okay, already we know from our English that we can recognize it. For example, father, you cannot say father is feminine, you cannot say father is neutral, you cannot say father is plural. The gender of father is masculine. Yes, the gender of father is masculine, that's why it is there. Der Vater means the father. Okay, so this thing is clear from our English language. Okay, it's masculine. Mother can be masculine, neutral? No, it's feminine. That's why we put here the. You can see here this thing, the, feminine. Okay, and for masculine, their Vater. Okay, these 2 points clear. Now see, brother in German is bruder. Now brother can be feminine? No. Neutral? No. Masculine, the gender of brother is masculine, man. That's why they are bruder. Okay, this one. Okay, they are bruder. Again, sister, Schwester. In German we say Schwester. So the gender of sister is masculine? No. Neutral? No. Obviously feminine. That's why the. Okay, we known through our English language. House cannot be masculine, it cannot be feminine. House is neutral. Das Haus. Okay, that's why it is das House. Okay, again, book cannot be masculine and book cannot be feminine. Again, neutral, that's why das. Okay, again, notebook cannot be masculine or feminine, that's why das Heft. Okay, these are some tips and tricks. Okay, now car is Auto. Now auto cannot be masculine and it cannot be feminine, so das Auto. Okay, I hope this first point is clear, that already known through English. These some thought in German there are 40%, which you can already recognize it by looking at the noun, by looking at the gender. Okay, next point, now we are going to talk about whatever the nouns which comes under masculine, which are always masculine. First point, timings of the day except the Nacht. Timings of the day, whatever the timings of the day. For example, der Morgen, der Abend, der Sonntag, der Sonntag, whatever this thing, timings. Okay, and I already told you exception is der die Nacht. Okay, it's not take der masculine, it's die Nacht. Okay, I hope this point is clear. Timings of the day. Okay, der Montag, der Abend, der Sonntag. Okay, if you have done the the weekdays name, you can say der Montag, yeah, der Dienstag, der Mittwoch, der Donnerstag, der Freitag, der Sonntag, yeah, der Sonntag, and der Samstag. Okay, these all takes masculine article. Okay, second point, days of the week, which I already told you, their Montag, yeah, these point, their Montag and all. Okay, again takes masculine. Now months of the year, their Januar, their February, okay, their Juni, their Juli, these all takes masculine. Okay, their December, okay, these all takes masculine noun. Okay, these all takes masculine article. Now again next point, seasons. Again seasons take masculine, Herbst and all. Okay, now points on the compass, the points on the compass again takes masculine. Okay, I hope these points are clear to you. These are the tips and tricks to memorize it for masculine. Now next, move to the second point, that is nouns ending with ig, ling, ant and us. Whenever the ending is there in a noun by this ig, ling, ant, us, we are going to put their article. Okay, for example, their honish means honey, so we put here there. Okay, again there. Okay, for coward, again for diamond, diamant, so there. Okay, there. Circus, so again u ending is there, that's why there. You can see the ending here. Okay, this comes under a rule, that's why. Okay, so you can make notes of this. Okay, and if you want the PDF of this file, um, please comment on this video, or you can just follow me on my Instagram, that is Mayank / the lucky / Sharma. Okay, there also I can send you the PDF. Okay, now the third point is car name. Again the car name is, it takes masculine article. For example, their Porsche, okay, their Volkswagen, these all takes masculine. Okay, next point, again for masculine article, almost, always and mostly, most of the time, 90%. Let's see, words ending with el, er, or, en takes masculine article. Their garden, again en ending, that's why there. Their computer, er ending, that's why there. Their motor, again or ending, so there. Okay, again second point, most weather elements. Okay, there shni, whatever the weather elements are there, regen means to rain. Okay, whatever the weather elements are there, we are going to take it as masculine article. Okay students, till here it is clear. These all are tips and tricks for masculine, there one. Okay, now we are going to talk about feminine one. Okay, feminine, always, always, this ruler or for always, words ending with ung, het, kit, shaft, tate, ion, ik, ei, ie, enz, anz and ur. These all going to take feminine article. For example, the Vonum, you can see ung ending is there, that's why we put the Vonum. Okay, the dumbheit, stupidity, so het ending is there, so you can put here the ending. Okay, like this. Schwierigkeit, keit ending is there, that's why we put the ending. Okay, the Gesellschaft, shaft, shaft ending is there, that's why the, and so on. Okay, Kultur, ending, that's why the ending. Okay, these all are tips and tricks to remember it. Let's move on to second point, that is fruits. Okay, fruit name except these two. Okay, for example, the banana, so the ending. Okay, the orange, the ending. Oh, the article, the banana, so the article, the orange, so the article. Okay, fruits name. Okay, now again we are going to talk about feminine article, almost always, almost always. Verbs which are also noun but have different spelling. For example, the Hilfe, again verbs which are also noun but have different, these are different spelling. So die Hilfe, die Arbeit, that's why I put here the. Second point, most German rivers takes feminine. Okay, these are two exceptions. Okay, but most German river names takes the ending, the article. Okay, now again third point, nouns ending with e, it, is, isse and ien will take feminine article, the Flasche, the Flasche. Okay, you can see the ending e, so the Flasche, the Adresse, the Adresse, so again the ending. Okay, now we are going to talk about neutral, that is das ending, this one, this neutral. Okay, okay, verbs converted into noun, verbs which are converted into noun. For example, das schreiben, these are the verbs. We say in verbs also we say schreiben, schreiben means to write, and here schreiben means writing. So das schreiben, verbs converted into noun. Okay, essen, essen is also an verb which means to eat. So essen means, so in noun it is das, it will take das article, das essen, das schreiben. Okay, name of the colors used as noun, name of the colors used as noun. If we are using the name of the colors as a noun, we are going to put das article. Das blau means blue, das rot red, blue. Okay, these all takes das article. Okay, last point, almost always, verbs ending with o, chen, ment and um, this all will again going to take das article, das Kino, das Mädchen. You can see here this one is exception. Okay, Mädchen means girl. Okay, and girl, the gender of girl is feminine, but this is exception, that's why we put here das. Okay, so always remember a Mädchen take das. Okay, many times students when they do A1 they write D because of they just consider it as a feminine, but it's wrong, it is das because it's an exception. Okay, das Medikament, again ment ending, so das, again das Datum, ending, das. Okay, student, these are tips and tricks for I will say A1 A2. Okay, these tips and tricks are for A1 A2. Okay, these tips and tricks are enough for you. Okay, for your A1 A2 level. Okay, now, for the level there are other different tips and tricks are there. Just for A1 A2 these tips and tricks are enough. Okay, but again I told you, first thing and second point, first thing tricks are there which are already told you all these tricks, and second thing by lesson. Okay, the more you read, the more you will recognize more about the articles. Okay students, I hope this small grammar topic is clear. There are many students who told me, please sir make video on this video, because they always have confusion that where we are going to put their, das and the. Okay, okay, I'm again telling you, if you still have any doubt, okay, please follow me on my Insta. Okay, there I post many different things. Okay, and if you want any PDF or any grammar topic, if you want book also, please message me there, I will just send you. Okay, okay, auf Wiedersehen.